What is up, everyone? Today is the day 4 of my 40 days 2-hour daily fitness challenge. The outside is again over 30, no, over 80 Fahrenheit degree. Another tough day. My body is still sore. Even though I slept like 8 hours a day, but still feel like I need more sleep for recover my body. But it's alright, I'm getting used to it. So the main thing different today is I switched to my microphone, wireless microphone. If anything, if it's not good or if it's better, please just let me know on the YouTube. So text me, say, oh, this is better. You have some better sound quality. So then I will just keep using this. If not, I will back to my older microphone. Please, guys, and I will see you guys outside. Hello? Hello guys. I think now it got fixed, right? Kunai, is my voice okay? Yeah, just keep watching. If anytime I lost my voice, just let me know, okay? Alright guys, I just fixed my voice. I'm sorry. Is my voice quality is better, guys? Since I just switched to the wireless microphone, so should be a little bit different. If it's better, just let me know. Even if it's worse, also let me know so that I switch back to my old microphone, okay guys? Woo, it's hot today too. All right. Kunai, what's up, bro? Sounds pretty good. So, from day one to today's day 4. I was 238 pounds. Now 232 pounds. I finished 1/10 of my workout challenge. To be honest, guys, last night when we were sleeping, we smelled something from skunk. And I think someone killed that skunk. It's so atmosphere. It's like smell like skunk, guys. That smell bad. Even outdoor workout is smell not good. 2 hours workout started. If I move, is there gonna have some background noise from the microphone or not? I wish not, you know, I wanna you guys have the best experience. It smells so bad outside, it's like skunk. Someone killed or burned a skunk. Oof. Wow. But I don't care. There's a lot of things try to stop you if you try to do something. Try to do something good. Try to improve yourself. You know, there's gonna be a lot of excuse to not do that. Try to stop you. Like, oh, today is too hot. Hey, Aliyah, what's up? It's all right? You think this is better? Voice quality is better? All right. Or maybe, no. Yeah, if you try to improve yourself, try to do something good, always million reasons gonna be appear to stop you. Like today, the weather is like skunk smell, whole atmosphere. I think someone killed skunk or something. But I'm working out under skunk smell, guys. But because since I'm already started my challenge, that should not be the reason I stop, or should not be the reason interrupt my challenge. I want to be here. I told you guys, I want to inspire you guys by doing 2 hours fitness to show you guys the result. Then you can do that too. If I can do that as a Uyghur man, as a survivor, You can do that too, man. So just want to get warm up first, and then I will do some stretch workout. Please leave a message on my YouTube chatting section if you guys want to interact with me, guys. I'll be really happy. Woo. Hold on a second. No, I don't want you guys have any clicking sound. Hold on. Not here. Maybe I can put somewhere here. Still gonna have a better. How about now? If I put there my wireless right microphone, is the voice okay? Can you guys hear me? What is it? I can put there? Alright. Yeah, that's good then. So I just pour cut next to it. If I run or something, I just do it here. +80 degree outside, guys. 80 +degree. I already sweating. After I start sweating, then I will stretch workout again. My leg, my back, and then I start my ab crunch, lower ab, higher ab. Please, guys, support my channel by clicking the like button on my YouTube channel, please. That's all I want from you guys. And if you haven't already, just subscribe my channel. My goal is 2,000 more subscribers in these 40 days. I think I can do it. Oh, it's already. Oh, it smells skunk outside, guys. Last night we have to close the window because of it was so strong. It went to my dreams, like in my dreams there's some skunk or what smells from. And then my daughter started crying, maybe she smelled too. Skunk. Already sweating. That's good. Okay, 30 jump for each side, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I used to do this with a jump roll for specific my belly, but I don't have jump roll. I check Amazon. I'm not sure it's made in China or not. It probably is. The majority is made in China, so I will keep checking, keep finding till I find some equipment is not made in China, and I will get it. I will use it here. Maybe I will buy a punching bag if the challenge keep going well. But I don't have a shed to cover it, so that's another problem. I will do it one by one. Let's see if everything's normal or not. Alright, cool. Seems cool. Okay, I think now I'm good for the stress workout. Let's see today how low I can go. Thank you. Just but she's gonna fly coming to house. Okay. Thank you. My wife is sweet, huh? Taking care of me. Well, so I have no reason don't work hard, guys. Yes, let's go down. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Look at this, I can't even make my legs straight and see, beginning I can't even touch, but I will keep going. 1, 2. It was better than the first couple days though. See, I can touch my foot with my straight leg, and I can try to touch my belly to my leg. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. The flexibility is also very important, what I believe in. It makes you feel so good if you have good flexibility. So you have to open your stretch. All the stretch workout is especially for your leg, for your back. Flexibility. Okay. Ooh, look at that. I can't touch my foot. 1, 2, 3. Let me pick up my shoe. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay. Now, my first set of my ab workout. Oh yeah. Let's do it. 40 higher ab crunch. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11,
Kuntas kecha.
12,
oy fikr ilkida xiyol dengizga cho'kdim. Mehnatchilik tansizga qo'rqilgan atrofimda haqiqat o'ynag'ini kutib. Quloq qisqashish, olammoqni kilas.
17,
Hasratni kumush uchun zaboy g'arab, banki dava tamakka. Har qitim tushanmakdas, turmushga erishib o'rgandim bo'ptilar.
20.
Ketgan kashkanni qo'yib bervatdim vaqt o'zining ixtiyoriga. Qiyin kunda illiqlik ota-onadan birovni asga kirgizmay qushdim tut. Maydonga urib ishlanganlarim vaqt
20 more left. Let's keep going, guys.
Kulimsirash ichida reallikni o'chirib ozodlik olaman asga. Xo'shalliklar aro piqirsammo dil yaramni saqlaytmoqdasga. Hech bir harorat illit olmaydi vujudga bu sovuq tuyg'u. Qarg'uni har yerda qistig'anda
I forgot one thing. I'll be right back, guys.
Har bir uchrashishning hammasi kutilgan qismat. Qansiz xorliq, qansiz tarliq, qansiz arzon, qansiz qimmat. Yillar o'tdi, umr uzun emas, qadrla atrofingdagilarni. Yo'qotib qo'ysam qaytib kelmaydi, endi uchrashishni unutayim. Tutolmaydiganim vaqt, elib qololmaydiganim yillar. Ko'ngil zarari qilisholmay ko'milib ketdi qancha jiqdillar. Hayot yig'lab kelib unsiz ketadigan jarayon. Terib bo'lolmaysa jiqqa tizilgan marjon chechilsa riyon. Tugmas qaytilishlar bilan yurakmi oxiri charchaydi. Atrofimda to'shab qoldi.
Sorry, guys. I just forgot something. Turn it off.
Yardım so'rab qolsam g'oyib silkitaydi cho'qim o'zimga tayon.
1,
Shu mijozimni o'zgartmak bo'lib topolmadim chora amalni. Ko'p ishlarda ketkizvatdim vasliga yetkazolmay orzuyimning armonini.
4,
Reallik shu.
5,
Ilgari men asarsiz
6,
bo'lgan. Yuturib qo'yib pulimni
7,
ishim tasvogan. Biroq
8,
oxirida topdim aql ushimni.
9,
Qurvatdim vaqtimni toplab qafasga so'lagan qushimni. Qushlarga toynish orqali erishilmaysa o'zim kutgan vaqtga. O'z xoslig'i yo'q podshoh bemalol o'tira olmadim taxtga. Her kişinin ko'ngligidek muhabbet hikoyasi yozishini aytasiz. Chunki yolg'onchi nachar ko'p yonda ko'nglim bir-bir. Hatto oxiri qaynab ketadi bozorda rangli shakboni suv. Tuyuq yo'lga boshlab kirib yoshlig'imni qazo qildi o'zim qo'yib. Bolliqdagi kunlar bo'lsin pokiz edi aslima. Yuz berib o'tgan qadar mehnatchilikka.
Okay, 40.
Uzun sozulgan tunlar, jup-jup buzulgan
Lower app.
yig'ilishidir. Yoki birining yosh ketgan holda yana biriga bo'lgan seg'inishidir.
Lower app. Lift your leg 90 degree with the horizon. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. No, everything is good, just skunk smell pissing me off. Ooh, that's so bad. Skunk smell, wait. Oh. I'm super confused where the skunk smell comes from. Oh. From last midnight. It started from last midnight. Oh. So guys, please leave your message if you have any questions to me, and I will reply after my workout done, guys. Let's keep working out. I finished 30 minutes, quarter of today's workout. Fitness, let's keep going. The sweat as much as possible. Yeah, guys. Oh, so heavy. My legs so heavy. Guys, still hurting. If you guys have any question, just message me and I will reply after workout, guys. Message me on YouTube. Leave a message in the chat box. I will reply you guys, answer you guys as soon as possible. Sweating. Sweating. Damn, it's hot weather. This little fan is really help. Wow, that skunk smells come again. What's wrong with this? Maybe like in the fire, just burn them off. Recently, like North California has a lot of fire going on because of the hot weather. It smells so bad. You can see the air quality is so bad. Okay. relax a little bit. Just want to check my voice. My voice is okay, guys. Özgürlüğüne fakat ağırlıkımız Meyli özüm kısqa sərib oldu Tüm barlıqımız Toxtadım mən Cayında Qayrılıb getdin sən Məğlubiyyətin səbəbi Bəlkə bizdən işçitarlığımız Fikir attım senin mənim Ən xun pərişimdən Köp işlərdə yığızdı Bab olanmadım qışımdan Qırma sənimki muhtaç məndən Kəm nəsigən Cavablı günü attım Atqas yaşımdan Jigidin bir yaş Qallıdı afcaş Kim solğun kim şaş Ursuttum toxmaş My parents didn't talk anything, didn't leave a message. I'm worried about them. Four, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Woo! 12. Let's do it. Let's do my leg, inner leg. How's it going, guys? Kind of tired today already. Alright, now is like it's my punch, dumbbell punch, and shoulder fly time. Yeah, 12 for each hand, okay? Six, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Hello guys. Oh. Keep working out. Keep sweating. If I'm next to my flag, maybe I have more power. Whew. I don't really rest because since I'm stretching, my body is kind of more my resting time. I don't just sit there do nothing. I split this workout for 4 sections. Since it's 2 hours workout, so every 30 minutes is 1 section. So I have to do body stretch workout 1 time in each section, so 4 times. Also the dumbbell fly or dumbbell punch, 1 in each section. Ab crunch, 1 in each section, so total gonna be 4. The end of the time, the rest of the time just keep moving my body like this. I don't need to be too tough, too extreme workout. Just move my body to sweat more. Just don't stop. Never stop. Keep going like this. If I can't even willing to suffer 2 hours a day, not good. Trust me, every day after workout, the day is so good, so easy, so chill, and the sleeping is also so good. The quality of my sleep is improved a lot after I start this challenge. All right, 30, 30. If you just come in, welcome, and please just let me know if you support my fitness challenge. If you support Uyghur Man's fitness challenge, just let me know on YouTube section. Say good job or keep going. Anything motivate me. If you want to motivate me, I will motivate you for return. Let's see Twitch. Twitch yesterday just someone just hacked me, right? I posted. Oh, there's 15 people on Twitch. Always, always more than. Okay. I have 15 people watching on Twitch. Every time, like more than YouTube. But I wish you can come to YouTube channel so I can see on the screen. Oh, sweaty. Today is like not that sunny because of the so low air quality. It's not fresh. You can smell weird smell outside. I told you like skunk. I don't know what else. Almost an hour. Almost an hour, so I need a. Let me try the ab crunch. Second set of ab crunch. Ooh, 40 higher ab crunch, 30 lower. Okay, guys. Let's do it. Ah. Whew. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 20. Whew. 20. 20 more. All right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 12. Oh, damn. Whew. Ah, sweaty so hard. Lower ab, 30. Ah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Whew. 10 more left. Ah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Whew. Guys, exhausted. Ah. Oh yeah, I can go lower than before now. I can feel it. Yes. Yes, good. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Whew. One. Right? My right side is not that flexible, but it is not stretch. I need to keep doing on this side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Whew. If you improved, if you think you can touch the ground now, so you can pull your feet closer to your body, then keep going. It's gonna be increased difficulty. Yeah, now it's hard. 1, 2. Oh yeah. Oh, I can't move my body. Yo, Uyghur astronom. Astronaut. Hope so. One day. Hope so. How should I reply this? Hope so. Yeah. Welcome, astronaut, Uyghur astronaut. So how many minutes? Okay. One hour left. Good news. To be honest, today is not that hot like last 3 days, but the air quality is super bad. You can see the skies gray. It's not that sunny. Now it's my second set of dumbbell punch. Let's increase to 15 for each, and then dumbbell shoulder fly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 15. Yes. 15. Shoulder fly 12. Slowly. 2, 4, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Yes. The skunk still smelling outside. One more hour. I finished half, guys. Oh yeah, let's go. Let's go, guys. Only half. I need to turn on the voice.
Keşke solmaz seni düştü yıldızlar aram daram. Salsamatsız günler bitti uykusuz aram daram. Yanıp armı durmuşum da gündü gündü bir aram. Yerim baktım tümregen caranet bağrımdan yaram. Gözüm vuruyor, gözüm vuruyor. Bir çare yalnız kaldım ben suyumu gülmüyor. Özümden gülüyor, özümden gülüyor. Bir çare yalnız kaldım ben suyumu gülmüyor. Gözümden görüyor, bir çare yalnız kaldım ötümü görüyor.
Okay, 30-30. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Feel better. This is the water on my head. Let's see any comments. No. No, you said it's partner. I saw you workout partner. Oh, you mean the female partner? I have a wife, man. I have a wife. Alhamdulillah, I have a good wife. So partner, I thought you like fitness, like give each other spot protection, work out together. That type of partner I saw. She is my partner, but she's a moderator for workout, for streaming. She's playing the music, checking my voice, stuff like that.
Kim tutsam kolumnu koy dedim ben bu hem koyuşlu talladım. Bu kutum özümle unutup ben seni de yaşaştım vazgeçtim çarçıdım. Sen aldırdın sen beni talladın başkanı yürüdüm içti tatladım. Ben ayrı kara güçtürdü ay bana buluşur.
Yo, do you have a Twitch account? Maybe later. Maybe later tonight, I will stream on Twitch as well. I can speak a lot there, you know what I'm saying? If I try to speak up for Uyghurs, there's a lot of people. Just wild player, I just say, hey guys, and then they would ask me where I'm from. I say, yeah, I'm Uyghur. And do you know about Uyghurs, guys? Blah, blah, blah. Yo, the Chinese put us in concentration camp, blah, blah, blah. There's a lot of, I can have a lot of audience, you know? Yo, all of my music is from one single playlist, Uyghur rap playlist. I will put down the description below later after I'm done. I will change it. I'll put it on the description. What it? So YouTuber's name is I forgot. Kuzgun, I think. Kuzgun, and it's all different Uyghur rap, Uyghur pop music, all different playlists you can find there. water is so good at this time. Okay, how many minutes? So I'm in my third section. Okay, now I can start my third section of ab crunch, which is also the toughest part for me. Today now here is 12 a.m. No, 12 p.m. You know, it's noon time. After this done, I will take a shower and I'll go Costco grocery store. Let me do ab crunch for my higher ab and lower ab. Higher ab 40 times, lower ab 30 times. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Woo! 10 left. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh, what the? So, upper ab done, lower ab 30. It's also toughest part. Oof. I just started day 4, so, and I stopped workout for half years from February till now. Forget about that 30 days push-up challenge. That's, if you take that off, it's like half year I didn't work out. That's why it's so hard. Okay, lower ab 30. Uh, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oof. Section 3. Section 3 done. No, section 3 ab part is done. Now it's stretch workout. Whew. Thank you, thank you. Thanks for support, guys. If you guys support, that's the best motivation for me, to be honest. Everyone's living under isolation time, right? So we have to support each other to improve better person, to be a better person. So how? It's through the screen nowadays. This is a technology lead us on this level now. Everything through the screen. So please support me, share my YouTube channel. My another goal is hit more 2,000 people for to my subscribers on YouTube subscribers. And I never get any YouTube video of mine hit 100 like button. I want to hit 100 like button on any of my video, guys. You can do this for this one. Please, guys, like button. I really want to see I can hit 100 like button or not. So where's the chatting box? Okay, here. Yeah. The day pass, whatever, you know, you do things or you don't do things, you're one day gonna pass and it's never come back again. So if you do some hard things, Allah will return you with a hard, good reward, you know. Everything has a price. The hard things give you better reward. That's what I believe. So my reward, the best reward is for me is this flag raising over my land. So I need to choose hardest way to live. I just on my way. I just started my way. I will keep going. I need you guys motivate, please. Yes, let's do some stress workout. We have no time to waste, guys. The world turning crazy, scary. We might die, but we have to be ready for die, right? I mean, if you do something, if you're dying on the way, your way to doing something good, you die, it might be okay. If you're doing nothing and die, it's scary afterlife. You know what I mean? Yo, just 4 days, you can see I can bend down so lower than the first day. If you just hit my first video, I was like, I can't touch my foot, like, like, now I can, so low. See? I feel like big improvement. I mean, just 4 days. If I can do that, you can do that too, guys. But my right side is still a little bit harder on my right side. Yes, flexibility is also very important, guys. Thanks for support, Uyghur astronaut. Astronaut, if I pronounce correct. Almost there, guys. Almost there. Whew. Whew. Yeah, let's do it. Maybe I can share the link right here. Okay, I got the link. Yo, Uyghur astronaut, I put the background playlist in the description below. Oh no, I didn't. I put it on the YouTube. Hold on, Facebook. I'm not here. On YouTube, comment section, not chatting box, not live stream chatting box. Comment section, I put the background music playlist, guys, for you. Hayatım bir tımsah. Tımsah kensendim. Who? My coach usually, when I was playing taekwondo, my coach stand on my leg here from my back and push it so hard, and I have to pull my foot, and my coach standing there and push my leg to the ground. That's how I do stretch workout before. Now I had to do by my own, so I'm still able to touch a little bit. Oof, guys. So how many minutes left? 35 minutes left. Okay, the last 5 minutes of my section 3, I will do these things again. 15 for each side of punch, and then 12 or 15, another 15 shoulder. 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, slowly, bad. Good. gosh. I need to get some water, guys. I'll be right back. You know, just plain water, boiled water is the best. But after workout, after I take off my clothes and after take a shower, then I feel best, right? And then, you know what I would like to drink? Watermelon smoothie. Just cut the watermelon and put in your grinder with some ice. Drink is perfect. Oh, while I'm sitting here, I need to keep working out. Good night, thank you. Thank you. You know, guys, why I like the Kunai is one of the friends I met from the Twitch. Yeah, I met a lot of friends from the Twitch. I talk about Uyghur situation. They know what's happening to Uyghurs. Yo, follow me on Twitch, guys, too. After workout, maybe afternoon or before I sleep, I will do 2 hours stream on the Twitch every day. At least 2 hours. I need to relax too. I need to play game. I need to talk with my friend. So I met a lot of friends on Twitch. So this is section 4 of my today's workout. The last 30 minutes. I will like move like this for 10 minutes or so, and then ab crunch, stretch workout, and then shoulder or dumbbell push, dumbbell punch. Then finish my workout today. Day 4, 1/10 of my 40 days, 2-hour daily workout challenge. my leg is so heavy. Whew. Let me do 20 high lift. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yeah. Good. Up there. Hit that. I guess. Focus. 1. Man. Up there. There. Yes. Yeah. Yeah. Yes. Yeah. Yes. Up there. Yeah. Yes. One. The hardest part gonna be my last ab crunch. Oh, some water come out. My ab crunch. The last set of my ab crunch. Yeah, moving quick of course is good, man. Moving quickly is of course is good, but 2 hours workout in the under 80 degree outside is not easy. As long as I keep sweating, it's okay. Because I just started, maybe I can be quicker. I already sweat, already exhausted. You know, for me, I'm main targeting not building muscle nowadays for this challenge. It's more cardio. As long as you move and you sweat, it's good. I told you, like, I didn't move, I didn't do any exercise for half a year, so I need to come slower. I have a lot of experience, like first couple of days you did so extreme and you just broke. You can't move anymore. You're done like that. This is 40 days challenge, so the consistency is most important for me than the extremist. You can move quicker, but I cannot do 2 hours with quick exercise. Fast movement, no, I can't do it. I want to keep sweating for 2 hours. It's totally different sense, totally different strategy. Yo guys, if you support my channel, please share my channel for me. And in different group, a new guy. So I never run ads to my challenge anymore. Just for natural growth. So I need to keep verbal advertise like this. Please subscribe my channel. Please give a like button like this. Please do it for me, guys. For your support. Let me see how many minutes left. 23. So I need to start my. Wow. Alhamdulillah, the water. The water is the best. See, eventually, creation, nature of water is the best. Okay, it's the last set of my ab crunch. Yeah, guys. Oh yeah, guys. Sunny. Sun came out. Woo. Over at 30. Keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going. Ya Allah. Kuvvet ata kılgınlık ya Rabbim. Ya Rabbim. Ya Kadir. Ya yani. Ya Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Oh. Oof. Oh. Really? My microphone is here. Maybe it's a fan voice, like ooh. Sounds like ooh. There's there's no one, just me and my wife in the room. Have a good day, astronaut, 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 astronaut. Have a good day and stay tuned, man. 17 minutes left. Whew. Like good.
bol hammani yutuver chekkan ziynimni siqitiver alqim bilan rumkani tutuver bana bir diqqat qilmaydi sana present yo'q ularcha qalbimga present yo'q chunki g'am qilmaydi u qo'squv azmas ishim g'alabim yo'q azyonni bekitolma bekbuluq yiqilib ketsam g'ammaysan tek turib haqqimdan bir yerda qulab ketturib sana bu qandoq bir yaxshini ketturib kerak sana kalma sog'liq bilan da millik bilan o'chmaga kerak senda ikkinchi ayyor so'zda keng tashla sana tushungan kelgan balkim tarqich kishi yo'q turmushim yazam kishi yo'q taqqa yo'ldan yo'ncho yashagan bo'lsin yancho balkim tarqich kishi yo'q turmushim yazam kishi yo'q taqqa yo'ldan yo'ncho yashagan bo'lsin yancho kishab yuz bahor yozsin uchun omadini mayli do'stim mayli dushman qarish yo'qar mayli Amaysan bo'lsin daysan oilangga Amaysan bo'lsin daysa bu bag'ridir Ular gece deyishkin Mayli kelgusi Qo'rqma kelgilsa qani Pervoyim yo'q Mayli emir bo'lsin qani Hammani unutsa qani Sabr topmaydi qiyinchilik qancha bo'lsa Sabr topmaydi Qo'rqma kelgilsa qani Yanchuma bo'lsa da bo'ldi Ama nima qilib ketadimi deysan So'zlarim ochoq bilasan Yigitaga shab kelyapti man Ideyarim ochoq yursa bir kun elib chiqaman rapni bir chatga mingbatga to'lsin chechidasan termasan yonsin bu tam o'rnatman bir kun ko'zlarini etilasan meni cho'l chanisa kulman muzika emas yonsa so'kman qo'shiqlar tan Yapmaydi kuniga bash hozirda temizlik kech berib yuragini tash nima bo'ldi sizlarga o'choq bulayman
Hey astronaut, it's the whole area, like in North California, because of the Chinese virus, locked down. So all the company closed, especially my company, like research center, like lab, all closed. We have to stay home. That's why I don't want to waste my time. Keep working out, keep improve myself. Maybe we'll open next month or next month. I don't know. It's not a holiday. It's lockdown, quarantine. Okay, 15 on each hand, 15 pounds on each arm, and then 15 shoulder fly. Okay, guys? Again. Yeah, Allah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, Yeah. Yeah. Good. Yeah. Okay. Set. The last set almost done. So The skunk smell in the air is still not gone, guys. It's a fucked up world it is. Sorry, I swear again. I mean, one day is burning, one day is all smoke, one day is virus. Today is skunk smell whole day. Okay. 30, 30. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9, 10. 2, 4, 6, 7, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I think I'm done, guys. But seven minutes left, guys. 7 minutes. I'll just keep jumping. I'm done with all my goal. I split for 4 punch, 4 jump, 4 ab crunch, 4 stretch workout. So let's keep moving. 7 minutes. And then I'm done, guys. Great day. Look at it, all sweat. Maybe I can do this workout. Oh yeah. Yeah. Woo. 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Woohoo! Oh, my leg. My leg, my foot is so heavy. Since I'm too tired. Two hours, not easy. If I finish this 2 hour 40 this workout, in the future, imagine if I do 1 hour workout, so I can work out extreme workout. 1 hour is still gonna be easy for me. That's why when you have a lot of things suffer in your past, when you achieve something hard, the rest, the future is gonna be easy for you, right? If you climb 1,000 miles mountain, and then next time if you climb 5,000 miles high mountain, it's way easy for you, right? That's why we need to suffer when we are young, when we can. That's make you strong, be tough. Whew. Let's see. 2 minutes left. All right. Ya Allah. 2 minutes left. Oh damn, 40 days. I did a quarter. I did a quarter. 40 days, definitely gonna get some result. Let's see. Oh, I'm done, guys. I'm glad. I'm really glad. I accomplished, guys. Thank you. What's up, guys? Thanks for stay tuned. Kunai, for the Uyghur astronauts. Thanks for stay tuned, guys. I'm so happy I finally done. It's the best moment after I finish my challenge. it is my best moment, to be honest. So thanks for you guys support, thanks for you guys motivation, and I will see you guys tomorrow.